Morning, you will likely tear up after this story. Steve Winfrey is a big baseball fan who's been fighting kidney disease for 14 years, and he loves collecting baseball cards with his wife, Heather. Well, Heather secretly made a special baseball card with his face on it, slipped it in a pack, and captured the moment Steve learned a kidney donor match had been found.
His wife, Heather, thinks he is a great catch, so she's decided to go to bat for him. Now Steve will be a rookie recipient at Vanderbilt training.
Today, I'm at work, and I'm a mess. And you could be getting a kidney by the end of this month.
Now, Allison, it may have been difficult to hear, but Heather was the donor match for Steve. She found out earlier that day, and the transplant could happen as soon as the end of this month.
Oh my gosh, thank you for the tissue warning. That is so beautiful and such a great moment captured on tape there.
The allergies are bad.
Yeah, I know.
For me. Talk about true partnership and being meant to be together.
You think?
When she is actually a match for him. You know
I
how
know.
rare it is to be a match for somebody? Sometimes it's not just a coincidence.
I know you would give an internal organ for me. Thank you.
My heart.
Yeah.
It would be too small. And not enough to power a hamster, let alone
right.
someone as loving as you.
So it wouldn't work, but thank you.
But I would give it to you because obviously I don't need it.
Thank you.